Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video will be featuring this Levoit air purifier. So I suffer from allergies, and in addition to all of the things that I do in my home to reduce dust, this air purifier has really helped that issue, along with the other methods that I do use in my home. So it basically comes in this box right here. So once you take it out of the box, it's really simple to use and it's pretty self-explanatory in regards to how to operate it. So on top it has a few buttons that allow you to control it. So it has the power button, a display button, a sleep button which works at night really well. It has the auto function feature as far as 3 adjustable speeds and a timer that you can set it on so that it's not continuously running all the time. So to get started using it, just remove the back cover off of it and it slips off really easily. And in the back sits the HEPA filter as well as the activated carbon filter. And you just want to remove the plastic off of both of those. And then you're going to reinsert them back into the air purifier. Now it does recommend that you change out the actual air filter, which is the HEPA filter, at least every 6 months, because if you're using it regularly, it's going to be collecting the dust and everything in your home, which is helping to purify the air. So when the unit is plugged in, you will see this red power button here, but when you actually press the power button, you will see this blue display feature in the front of it, which lets you know that it is on and running. And then you'll also start to hear and feel the air coming out of it, and with this you can start adjusting the settings that you want for the particular space that you're in. Now I do like to use this and have this running while I've been cleaning, especially like cleaning the kitchen and everything. I like to have it running and just collecting all the particles and everything in the downstairs area of my house. Since I'm the one in the house who suffers from allergies, I like to use this air purifier in my bedroom at night, in addition to the other things that I have to do in my bedroom to reduce my allergens. One of the things that I like to do in addition, since my headboard is made with all of these different design cuts in the wood, I really have to make sure that I'm cleaning in between the cracks and getting rid of all of that dust that can collect on wood. And then I also have to make sure that I am cleaning out the air vents in the ceiling because they can collect dust really easily. So I like to take a rag with some warm soap and water and just kind of go along each one of those little lines. It's really tedious, but it's really important. And I will show you why, because this towel, just going over the first few lines, has collected so much dust. So in prepping for bed, I'm going to turn the Levoit air filter on, and then I'm going to put it in sleep mode. And what sleep mode does is it turns the volume down really low to where it's pretty silent and you can't hear it at night while you're sleeping. And just so you can hear the difference in the two functions, I'm going to take it off of sleep mode. So as you can hear, it gets really quiet, which is great because while it's purifying the air while you sleep, you definitely don't want a loud noise distracting you from your sleep. So I hope you all enjoyed this video on how I clear away some of the dust and allergens in my home, and it works for me. also how great this Levoit air purifier has been working for me in regards to reducing my allergies as well. So thank you to Levoit as well for sending me this air purifier. I will also leave the Amazon link down below where you can purchase your own if you'd like to, along with some other discounts that they are offering on this purifier. So thank you guys as always for watching this video, and I will always see you guys in the next one. Bye daisies.